What is algorithmic bias and why should students care about it? Imagine a future where artificial intelligence systems help decide who gets into college, who receives a loan, or even who gets hired for a job. These systems are becoming part of everyday life, but they are not perfect. Sometimes they make unfair choices without anyone realizing it. That's what we call algorithmic bias. Algorithmic bias happens when computer programs, especially those using artificial intelligence, produce unfair or discriminatory results. These biases come from the data they learn from or the way they are built. If the data contains social, economic, or cultural prejudices, the AI might unintentionally favor certain groups over others. For example, if a hiring algorithm is trained on past employment data that mostly includes men, it might unfairly favor male candidates. Students should care about this because AI is used in many areas that affect their lives. It can influence college admissions, grading, or even future job opportunities. If these systems are biased, they can reinforce unfairness and limit chances for marginalized groups. This can make inequalities worse instead of helping create equal opportunities. Understanding algorithmic bias helps students become smarter users and future creators of AI. They can learn to question how decisions are made by machines and spot when outcomes are unfair. This awareness encourages them to push for more transparent and fair AI systems. As AI becomes a bigger part of workplaces and society, knowing about bias is essential for ensuring everyone gets a fair shot. Addressing algorithmic bias in education involves recognizing that bias data can come from sources like standardized tests that reflected socioeconomic differences. It's important to see that bias is not just a technical problem, but one that can cause real harm by unfairly discriminating against certain groups. Students should learn strategies to reduce bias, like improving data quality, designing fairer algorithms, and including diverse perspectives during development. Transparency and explainability are also key. Students need to understand how AI makes decisions so they can identify when something might be unfair. By learning these skills, students will be better prepared to navigate an AI-driven future. They can help build systems that support fairness and equality, making sure AI benefits everyone equally. In the future of work and education, understanding algorithmic bias is more than just knowing a technical term. It's about being responsible and thoughtful about how technology shapes society. When students are aware of bias, they can help create a future where AI supports fairness and opens doors for all, not just a few.